This story was maybe like a couple episodes back. You were talking about like this animated chart on YouTube
Yep.
about the richest companies
Yeah.
with their net. I found one here that kind of shows off the most viewed YouTube videos through a set number of time, like 2006 to 2019. And you can see that, you know, a lot of these videos turn into music videos, the most popular ones.
Mm-hmm.
They rise right up to the top and they just stay there. So up here, you'll see like Justin Bieber Baby is like number one. And then all of a sudden, you see Gangnam Style just like totally push it out of the way. That becomes number one. And then all of them just become music videos, essentially.
Yeah, well, I mean, there's two ways to look at it. You could be like, hey, there. I think that's a kid's video climbing up right there in 2016. Masha and the Bear. I'm guessing. It says it's from Get Movies. Here's the thing about music videos, right? If they're not boosting the numbers, like if we just take that thing aside and say like that's not part of it, although music business has done that in the past through radio play, record sales. There's been some funny business with record labels and things like this. So let's take that out of the equation, though. Music, you listen to it more than once if you like it.
Yeah, there's a lot of replay value.
Replayability. So if you have a regular video with like 5 million views, but it's a song that people like, they might play that song 3, 4, 7, 12 times. So that multiplier effect is bananas. But see, there you got Baby Shark. Look at Baby Shark coming up down on the bottom there. So you will get like a random kids video. I see Baby Shark. I see Masha and the Bear, and I don't think those are music videos. But otherwise, Katy Perry, Roar, Maroon 5, Sugar, Justin Bieber, Sorry, Psy, Gangnam Style, Mark Ronson, Uptown Funk. I didn't know Uptown Funk passed Gangnam Style. See, that surprises me. Wiz Khalifa, See You Again, Ed Sheeran, Shape of You, and Luis Fonsi, Despacito, featuring Daddy Yankee.
That's at 6.2 billion views.
6.2 billion views. You want to know what's crazy? I don't even know how many of these songs I've heard. Have I heard them all? I just don't remember the names of them. I guess I've heard them all. I just don't remember.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, anyhow. Yeah, See You Again, Wiz Khalifa. I'm sure I've heard it. It just, whatever. I mean, I'm not remembering it.
Fast and the Furious?
I never searched it up, is what I'm trying to say. I'm sure I heard it in the background somewhere. 4 billion views. I'm guessing I heard it.
Yeah.
But that's wild. Those are big numbers. Big numbers. It's kind of like the T-Series topic that you talked about the other day with them passing 100 million subscribers. It's like, man, these numbers keep getting more and more crazy as the scale of the platform gets more and more crazy. So